In this video, I'm going to show you how to pin messages in WhatsApp group. So if you want to pin important information in a group, this is how you can pin on WhatsApp. So first thing you want to do is open WhatsApp and go to the conversation screen. All you need to do is hold down on the message you want to pin, whether a photo, message, sticker, you can pin them on WhatsApp. Now you should get these options. What you want to do is tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen and you should see pin. Tap on pin. And here you get to set the duration you want the pin to last. So select your preferred option and tap on pin. Your message will be pinned at the top of your chat. Now at the other end, the receiver will also be notified about your pinning. This works in WhatsApp group, WhatsApp community, or even your personal conversations on WhatsApp. Now in a WhatsApp group and community, anyone is able to pin anything to the top of the screen by default. If you do not want members misusing that, in a group, tap on the name of the group or the three dots beside the group to take you to your group info. Under your group info, you want to scroll down and you should see group permission. Tap on group permissions. So where it says edit group permission, when you turn this off, members of the group won't be able to make changes such as the name of the group, icon, description, disappearing messages, timer, and the ability to pin. So thank you for watching this video on how to pin messages in WhatsApp group, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next video.